much you want to make, but what we want, you can add more if you want to, but we're just gonna make a little bit.
And guys,
If she's gonna pour some shaving cream, we will. And I'm gonna be mixing the water inside of the water.
and then I'm gonna be mixing it.
Wow, shaving cream. You can't hold it upside down without it work. You gotta hold it like straight.
Oh God. You should probably put a garbage can or some plastic bag over your stuff.
Okay.
No, we can wipe that stuff up.
Okay, are you ready? It's ready. So everybody
So as she's stirring, I'm gonna be pouring a little bit at a time some borax. This is borax mixed with water.
Which is activator.
with this slime
So as she's pouring, I'm just gonna be over and over, just starting to it starts to get together.
and it's gonna keep getting and then we like to just fill it a little.
And this is how the slime will look when it's done. It'll
Or
look and
probably
feel
even
the same.
whiter and filler. It'll be feeling softer and stuff like that.
Okay, so now everybody we're gonna
Okay.
get right with our
And now we're
Now everybody, we're gonna start threading.
No,
So
I'm
you're just
gonna thread because
Casey's gonna start threading. but we're just
Everybody.
gonna keep on, yeah.
It might get a little sticky, but that's okay, everybody.
And then as you threading, it's gonna keep on getting like into the slime former, and then keep on doing that, and then finally end up turning like you want. Like Casey's, it's turning how she wanted it to, but we gotta keep it going.
Yeah, I think we need more lots of water to add into there. Yeah.
And to let you
We need the
guys,
bowl. We need the bowl.
first you have to wash the bowl out.
Yeah, we
Then you
need.
have to wash the bowl out.
So you won't mix.
And then we're gonna need more of this
It's a liquid
because it was sticking really bad. So yeah, you guys. And now I think it's all coming together because I'm really good at threading. I'm the good at threading. So yeah, you guys.
And as you can see, it's becoming, and then Casey will show you how to demonstrate. She'll be doing this.
Yeah, that's what I did. I did that one on my own. Well, me and Charlie actually saw this on somebody's page.
So shout out to I don't know your name.
Okay, so everyone, I think I'm done threading. I think, yeah. And this.
Oh, and shout out to our favorite subscriber on YouTube, CJ So Cool.
And to Smosh.
Shout out to Damo and Chrissy.
And shout out.
To DK4L.
And shout out goes to Slime Maker.
Jacksepticeye and even more.
And I love you guys. So yeah, you guys.
And this is how the slime turned out.
This is how it turned out to be. It turned out so well, you guys.
So thank you guys for watching.
I know this was a short vlog, but we're gonna vlog in like 2 hours.
So please subscribe. Right here is gonna be right here.
And link, and don't forget to link and hit that subscribe button and leave comments
Thumbs
down
up.
below. And